Welcome to all listeners. Third video with most important step of analyzing starts here. We have done till now the defining step, and the second one was the to draw frame sections and assigning the loads and other things. Now analysis step starts here. To analyze, first of all, go to the analyze and click on check model. Mark all the options simultaneously and click OK. After that, it shows model has been checked, no warning message. So no error is in your model. Now click on run analysis. It will analyze your whole model. It will take more time, so I squeeze video here. Now model is being running. This step is very important of all steps because if you cannot analyze model properly, then it will give worst results. Your model has been run. First of all, what you will have to do is that you will have to check the drift of your building. Go to the file and go to the printables and click on summary report and then press OK. Now search Ctrl plus F story drift, press OK. The maximum story drift limit is a 1 divided by 192 and no result must be greater than this limit. If any story drift is more than 1 divided by 192, then it means it is failed in story drift. In our case, all stories are in limit because no story drift is more than 1 divided by 192. So congratulations, your model is a passed in drift. The question arises here is that if your model is fail in drift, then how you will control it, how you will pass it. There are three general parameters to control the drift of building. First of all, you will have to increase the cross sections of column, which will result in controlling drift. The second parameter is increase the depth of beam, and the third parameter is increase the compressive strength of concrete. Like if you are using the compressive strength of 4000 for columns and beams, then check it with compressive strength of 5000 and 6000 psi, which will ultimately improve your story drift of building. The more important thing is that we have to make graphs of story drift from printables. It is not feasible to get ratios. So I will show you the easiest method. You will form a file of stored all story drift, and you can drag graph from it. Let me show you. Click on EQX load, go to the deform shape and click EQX static load. Then click on any corner and then lateral drifts. This is a story drift in X direction for EQX. You can save this table to a file in this way for 6 stories, and then you can make graphs easily. The other things, if you want to see the dimensions of cross sections, then you can click on this thing. It will ultimately give you your dimensions. If you want to go to display and show loads, if you want to check your loads which you have assigned on the your model, then go to show loads and shell area and click on which type of load you want to see live. Click OK. This load has been assigned by you in the starting video. If you show deform shape, show mode shape. If you want to see mode shape of this building, then there are 12 modes. In which mode you want to see? For example, I want to see it on 12 mode, then it will be shown like this. This is a mode. If you want to see the mode number 3, then click on this thing. This is mode number 3. Moreover, go to display and then show member supporting spring reactions. Going to your ultimate, then click OK. All the reaction forces are being shown here. You can easily read and use for any design and analysis, designing pile gaps and other things. Especially for pile gaps, it is used. Then go to the display, frame spindle. If you want to see the axial forces, then click OK. Show values and then click OK. These are the axial forces acting on cross sections. You can easily investigate from here. And the third thing is a torsion movements, and let's suppose I want to see in plane shear, then click OK. These are in plane stresses acting on columns and beams. So analyzing is the real step of ETABS. Are you going to, if you want to see which thing, click and then OK. It will show you the displacements and the colors that your model is in which form. Here, this is the unutilization step, and this is a more utilization step. You can easily investigate from here. So in our case it's very near to utilization. Go to the display and click on show energy virtual diagram. Okay, the white color shows that it is not properly utilized, and the other colors show that it is not properly utilized. Means these sorry, these colors shows the displacement, and these are the different colors. You can read this from any code. The displacement rules, according to that rule you can study these things easily. Now go to display and show response spectrum. If you want to check the story hour turning moments, you can click here and you can see the graph of story hour turning moments. If you want to see story shear, then click on this thing. It will show you story drift, and this is a story drift. Story displacement, diaphragm drift, and all these are very important parameters. Drift and story drift is a similar. The reason is that the drift is a study in drift which in diaphragm which we have assigned to it. This was introduction to analyzing. You can also choose your desired code, concrete frame design, which code you want to choose for designing, and which is your seismic zone from here. I have chosen SI 31808 and IBC 2009, and the seismic design category is B, and other parameters are self given by ETABS itself. You can also change other parameters, but they are not important. So if you want to change the windows to different views, then you can choose it for options, windows, and then these are different options you can choose to change the views of your model. Now I will tell you the last thing, which is more important, that is show tables. Go to display and then click show tables. If you want to get anything, first of all you will have to select the combo. For example, I am taking for EQX, then click OK. I want to print the table for support reactions, then I will select this thing. I already have selected load cases, then press OK. It will show you the support reactions from here, which is also called base shear. Again, you can also print other tables from here, like if you want to check displacement, then click displacement. and then press OK. It will show you the displacement. The result is 0.12122. This is a displacement. For individual points you can also see. Okay, you can print tables according to your desires, your needs from this section, model information. This is all about you to give information, and from here the analyzing result starts. Frame, output, area, output, objects, model information, everything you can check from here. So this was just introduction to analyzing. Now we have cleared 3 steps of our learning program. There, first of all, we have done defining, then assigning, and now analyzing. These are general steps which would be followed to make any model, and the more deep studies you will learn by yourself when you will start to make a model by stopping video and following these videos. If you will not follow these videos, then it will be just information, and information is not beneficial until you will not use it. So best of luck. We will we will come again. We will communicate again on fourth video about designing. Good luck.